how to fix green line on Instagram Reels on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, open a Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Maybe you will find here update, then just click on it, and after that just go to settings and then go to battery and make sure power saving mode is disabled, and that's it. Now restart your phone and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem and you have an Android, go to apps and apps again and type Instagram and click on it, then click force stop and go to storage clear data. After that you will need to log in again, but that will help you to fix your problem. And if you have an iOS, just delete your Instagram and install it again, and that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.